Now, looking at the monthly, like I told you in the two previous analysis that we did, I was looking for price to actually push up as it has done, but I was skeptical whether or not price will keep breaking higher or price will push down, right? And looking at the month we're in, we just have one more week. So what could happen here? Price could actually keep pushing up and break higher, or price could actually reverse in this new week we're about to enter and come down lower because of these two monthly rejections, red candles that we're seeing here, right? Price is still very much bullish, so we won't just be jumping on a sell carelessly. We're going to wait for, if we're going to actually sell this market, and we have to wait for clear um, confirmations and signs that price actually wants to push down lower, right? But as it is now, we're still going to be looking for mostly buys because price is very bullish, right? And like I always say, whenever price, if price is very bullish, you should be mostly looking for buys and not sells in order for you not to have unnecessary losses, right? If you didn't catch the buys last week and the last 2 weeks based on the analysis I gave, it's best you actually just wait and stay away from the charts and just observe the market, right? Just best to wait, because now I just want to see how this new week is going to close and how the month is going to close, right? For us to now decide and determine exactly what the charts or the price is trying to do. Because now the price is at a point where we just need to be patient and just observe the market. Let's go back to the daily time frame. So if you had caught your buys at around this point, if you had caught a buy at around this point, then that's good for you, or caught a buy at around this point, right? So at this moment now, you just need to wait. If you're already in on any of all these setups that we gave last week and last 2 week, this week that just ended and then the last 2 weeks, then you got in on a good trade, right? You got in on a good trade. So all you just need to do now is be patient. Close of the month, we just have one more week, and we need to see how this week is actually going to close. That doesn't mean we're not going to find, we might not be able to find a good entry, we might be able to find a good setup this week, but if you don't see any solid setup, it's just best you stay away from the chart, right? And just observe the market, observe price action, and see how price is going to close this week and how price is going to close in the month of January to determine what's going to happen the next month. So like I said, let's draw this. The 50% level of previous week is somewhere around here, right? So we're going to be looking for price to come down to that point. So we'll be looking for price to come down to that point between 2738 and 2700, right?